Hey guys, in this video I will be comparing resolution of the high frequencies on my Dragon. I just replaced orange capacitors with this Sony KS7. So this tape has been recorded on Sony KS7, and before replacement Sony was playing much more detailed than the Dragon on the high frequencies. And like Evans, my 680, which was upgraded, was playing more detailed. And now I may tell you that it's a tie. Resolution on the high frequencies, perfect. So I will let you listen to this tape. It's Sony XR, been recorded on this Sony KS7. So enjoy the sound, and like I will start playing it on Sony and then put into Nakamichi. Enjoy. Okay, now let's install the same tape into the Dragon and continue playing on the Dragon. So 70 microsecond, no Dolby. Okay, I believe it was cool. So this deck now performs like new. All possible upgrades I could do for it, I did. Nothing more to improve. Records and plays really well. That was the last point, like to improve details on the high frequencies. And I believe my project was successful. Let me know what you do think. And thank you for visiting my channel. Bye bye.